So for example number 2, determine if x minus 1 is factor of 2x cubed plus x squared minus 9x plus 6. So again, gamitin lang natin yung factor theorem. So kunin lang natin yung remainder niya. Kung 0 yung remainder, therefore factor siya. So yung c natin is x minus 1 is equal to 0, then magiging positive 1. So 1 yung c natin. So i-evaluate lang natin siya dito. So p of 1 is 2 times 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus 9 times 1 plus 6. Okay, so yung mga x, pinalitan lang natin ng 1. Okay, in-evaluate lang natin. Okay, so 2 times 1 cubed, that is 2. 1 squared, that is 1. 9 times 1, that is 9 plus 6. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Minus 9, negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6, that is 0. So 0 yung remainder niya. Therefore, yung x minus 1 is factor of 2x cubed plus x squared minus 9x plus 6. Okay. So factor siya. Kasi yung remainder is 0. Okay. So ganun lang yung factor theorem. Okay. So comment below guys kung nakatulong yung video ito. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.